Modern warfare goes far beyond tanks, drones, and artillery. It's also a battle in the invisible realm of signals, where electronic warfare plays a critical and often decisive role. Facing relentless pressure and the constant evolution of Russian weaponry, Ukraine has achieved a major breakthrough with the development of its new electronic warfare system, known as Lima. This system has become a vital countermeasure against Russian aerial bombs equipped with UMPK, special guidance kits that turn free-fall bombs into precision weapons. These kits add gliding wings and satellite-based navigation modules, allowing bombs to glide up to 70 kilometers and strike with high accuracy, using Russia's GLONASS and GPS systems for mid-flight corrections. That's where Lima comes into play. Unlike conventional jammers, Lima is a fully digital, multi-layered system that doesn't just block signals, it manipulates them. It combines signal jamming, GPS spoofing, and even cyber attacks on navigation software to confuse and disable the bomb's targeting system. When satellite correction is lost, these bombs rely solely on their inertial guidance. But the longer they fly without satellite input, the more their accuracy drops. Within 38 seconds, the error can grow to 13 meters. After 100 seconds, it can reach 30 meters or more, which, in urban areas, can mean the difference between a direct hit and a complete miss. Ukraine has strategically deployed Lima units, both mobile and stationary, along likely bomb flight paths. When triggered during an incoming attack, Lima disrupts the satellite correction process, forcing the bomb to depend on its degrading inertial guidance. As a result, these high-tech weapons are reduced to the performance of decades-old bombs, dramatically decreasing their effectiveness. Engineers behind Lima highlight that the system can instantly adapt to new navigation algorithms and protocols. By analyzing the unique signal signatures of Russian UMPKs, Lima can target specific frequencies with surgical precision. Its ability to evolve in real time has made it not only more advanced than Russian counterparts, but in many ways superior to even Western electronic warfare systems, thanks to Ukraine's experience with constant live combat testing and rapid innovation.